Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Skytech Gaming Nebula 2 stands as a representative of the mid-range pre-built desktop market, offering a blend of established processing power and next-generation graphics technology. This specific configuration aims to provide a turnkey solution for those who want to jump into modern gaming without the complexities of assembling a custom rig from individual components. At a price point that hovers around $1,200, it positions itself as a competitive option for users seeking a balance between cost and contemporary features. By combining a high core count processor with a modern graphics card and a generous amount of system memory, the machine attempts to cover a wide variety of use cases ranging from competitive esports to creative productivity tasks. This desktop represents an effort to bring high-end features like ray tracing and fast storage into a package that is accessible to a broader audience. The build and design of the Nebula 2 center on a chassis that prioritizes both thermal management and a clean aesthetic. The case features a mesh front panel, which is a critical design choice for maintaining low internal temperatures during extended gaming sessions. This design allows for a consistent intake of cool air, which is then circulated through the system and exhausted out the rear and top by a series of integrated fans. Inside, the components are organized to facilitate this thermal health. The processor is cooled by a high-performance air cooler rather than a standard stock unit. This is an important inclusion because the 8-core processor can generate significant heat when pushed to its limits, and the upgraded cooler helps maintain stable clock speeds over long periods. The internal layout is intentional, with cable management designed to keep the airflow paths unobstructed. This focus on internal organization not only helps with cooling but also makes the system easier to clean and maintain over time. The inclusion of a 650-watt power supply with an 80+ gold efficiency rating is a notable detail. This rating indicates that the unit is designed to waste less energy as heat, which can lead to better long-term reliability and slightly lower electricity costs compared to less efficient alternatives. The power supply provides a stable foundation for the system, ensuring that both the processor and the graphics card receive consistent power even during peak loads. The overall construction feels solid, utilizing a combination of steel and tempered glass to provide a view of the internal hardware while maintaining structural integrity. When it comes to performance, the heart of this system is the combination of the AMD Ryzen 7 5700 and the NVIDIA RTX 5060. The Ryzen 7 5700 is a processor built on the Zen 3 architecture, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads. While it is an established part of the Ryzen lineup, its high core count makes it highly effective for multitasking and applications that can utilize parallel processing. With a base clock of 3.7 GHz and a turbo boost reaching up to 4.6 GHz, it provides enough speed to ensure that the graphics card is not held back in most gaming scenarios. The 8 cores are particularly useful for users who like to keep many applications open at once or for those who engage in light content creation. The real highlight of the internal specifications is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card. Featuring 8 GB of GDDR7 video memory, this card represents a significant step forward in memory technology. GDDR7 offers higher bandwidth and improved efficiency compared to previous generations, which allows the system to handle modern textures and complex lighting effects with greater ease. This card is designed to support the latest graphical features, including advanced ray tracing and artificial intelligence-driven frame generation. In practical terms, this means the computer is capable of delivering high frame rates at 1080p resolution and can comfortably transition into 1440p gaming for many modern titles. The inclusion of 32 GB of DDR4 memory running at 3200 MHz is another significant factor in the overall performance profile. While 16 GB was the standard for many years, 32 GB has become increasingly important for modern games that feature large open worlds and high-resolution assets. This amount of RAM helps prevent system stuttering and ensures a smoother experience when jumping between different tasks, such as gaming while having a dozen browser tabs and a chat client open in the background. Storage is handled by a 1 TB NVMe solid-state drive. This type of storage is significantly faster than traditional hard drives or even older SATA-based solid-state drives. It results in rapid boot times for the Windows 11 operating system and drastically reduces the time spent on loading screens in games. The speed of the NVMe interface ensures that data moves quickly between the storage and the rest of the system, which is essential for the large file sizes found in modern software. This combination of a fast drive, ample memory, and a modern graphics card creates a responsive user experience where the system feels snappy during everyday use and capable during intense gaming. This desktop is best suited for a specific segment of the market that prioritizes convenience and modern graphical features. It is an ideal choice for a first-time PC gamer who wants a machine that works right out of the box with enough power to play the latest releases at high settings. The 32 GB of memory and the 8-core processor also make it a viable option for students or hobbyist content creators who need to balance gaming with video editing or graphic design work. Because it includes built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and comes with Windows 11 pre-installed, the barrier to entry is kept very low. It also appeals to users who are interested in the latest graphics technologies but do not want to spend the much higher prices required for top-tier enthusiast hardware. For those who do not have the time or the desire to research individual parts and troubleshoot assembly issues, this pre-built provides a coherent package where the components have been selected to work together effectively. It serves as a strong middle ground for someone who wants a reliable machine that can handle both entertainment and productivity without requiring frequent upgrades in the near future. The performance of the RTX 5060 specifically matters because it brings the latest architectural improvements to a more affordable price bracket. The move to GDDR7 memory is a technical milestone that allows for faster data transfer between the GPU and the rest of the system. This is particularly noticeable in games that use heavy amounts of video memory for high-quality textures. When combined with the Ryzen 7 5700, the system maintains a high level of efficiency. The processor's 16 threads allow it to handle background system tasks without impacting the frame rate of the game being played. This is a crucial aspect for anyone interested in streaming their gameplay to platforms like Twitch or YouTube, as the CPU has enough overhead to handle the encoding process while the GPU focuses on rendering the game. Furthermore, the use of Windows 11 as the operating system allows the hardware to take advantage of newer features like direct storage, which further optimizes how data is moved from the NVMe drive to the graphics card, potentially shortening load times even further in supported games. The choice of a 650-watt gold-rated power supply also speaks to the long-term utility of the build. While some budget pre-builts might use lower-quality power units to save on costs, the gold rating here suggests a commitment to component health. A more efficient power supply generates less waste heat, which in turn keeps the internal temperature of the case lower and puts less strain on the cooling fans. This can result in a quieter system during operation, as the fans do not need to spin as fast to exhaust excess heat. For users who plan on keeping their computer for several years, these small details in the build quality can lead to a more pleasant and reliable ownership experience. In a broader sense, the Skytech Gaming Nebula 2 offers a well-rounded package that addresses the needs of the modern mid-range consumer. It makes a clear trade-off by using a slightly older but very capable processor architecture to make room for a cutting-edge graphics card and a substantial amount of system memory. This balance ensures that the machine remains relevant for several years while keeping the total cost around $1,200. While enthusiasts who enjoy fine-tuning every individual component might look elsewhere for the very latest CPU socket or DDR5 memory, the average user will likely find the performance and build quality here to be more than sufficient for their needs. It is a practical, straightforward gaming desktop that focuses on delivering a consistent and high-quality experience across a wide range of digital activities. The combination of high-speed storage, ample multitasking capability, and modern graphical power makes it a dependable choice for anyone looking to enter the world of high-performance computing without the stress of building a system from scratch. This machine effectively bridges the gap between entry-level gaming and high-end enthusiast performance, providing a stable and powerful platform for both work and play. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.